Hey guys, good morning. So I want to show you my breakfast. Of course, I feel like every time I eat, I should just feature my meal, even though it's the same thing. Like for breakfast, usually I'll make oatmeal. Occasionally I'll make oat pancakes. Sometimes I'll do a fruit parfait, but usually it's oatmeal or eggs. So this morning I'm having eggs. Shout out for awful lighting. I just have an egg scramble, 2 kiwis, avocado toast, and tomatoes, and then of course, the main attraction. So of course I did my morning routine. I oil pulled and then I had my lemon water, which is why I'm so happy to have my coffee now. But I just kind of wanted to hop on here and talk to you for a quick second because when I have no events, which is the case this week, I work on Saturday, but like for the most part, my week's been very slow work-wise. I don't know what to film for the vlog. So do you guys like seeing what I eat? Do you guys like seeing my workouts? Do you just like seeing randomness? Like, please comment down below with some feedback on what you prefer to see in vlogs. I know when I watch vlogs and when I watch particular YouTubers, I'm watching their vlogs just because it's purely them. So it doesn't really matter what they're doing. I just still enjoy their vlogs. So let me know if that's the case for you, if you guys just watching me no matter what I'm doing, regardless of how fun or boring it is. I would really appreciate your feedback. But I've also, like I mentioned, just kind of had a slow week. I've been a little unmotivated. You know, post-vacation depression is real, just in the sense that you have to get back in the swing of things. You know, you had this fun weekend full of lack of responsibility and you were just able to do whatever you want. And now it kind of, you have to come back and structure your days again. And for me, like I said, work's been a little slow, so there is kind of no structuredness. So I've just been like lacking motivation, and today is the day that I regain that. You know, it's okay to have a couple down days. It's okay to be a little bit, you know, blah, but you gotta snap out of it. So I'm snapping out of it today. I'm gonna finish this, kind of relax a little bit, and then head to the gym.
Dreaming in the daylight, 'cause I know heaven is a world away. Yeah, we're here sleeping on the floor, but this hell feels better with you. Working through the midnight, I know heaven is a world away.
It's about 3 o'clock, so I decided it's probably time to eat again. I just made oatmeal. There's some chia seeds, flax seeds, rolled oats, and maca powder as well. And then I microwaved that with almond milk. And then I'm just having a cup of green tea because, yeah, needed. Happy Friday. So it is pretty early in the morning. It is probably around 7 now. I came to the beach around 6:15 to meet Jeff. He's just taking some B-roll right now, but we decided to do kind of like a beach lifestyle video shoot, and then we're also going to take some pictures as well. So I don't get to wake up to see the sunrise very often, so when he asked me if I was interested in collaborating, of course I said yes. Jeff and I have known each other for a really long time and have shot together more times than I can count. So he actually has a YouTube channel if any of you guys are interested in kind of like filming, what equipment to use if you're trying to build your photography or filming portfolio. Definitely check him out. I will insert his YouTube link right here, and you can definitely go subscribe to him and tell him that I sent you, because we're always doing videos together and working together, so you can see kind of what he's up to and what I'm up to. Hi guys, it's now Friday evening, so I spent the day just kind of working on my computer. It seems like that's what I'm doing a lot of lately, is working on my computer, but that's what I've been up to. I got some groceries to prepare a breakfast casserole in the morning. We're having a garage sale at my grandma's house, so I'm gonna make sure everyone is well fed, but my mom and I just left happy hour. We went to a new place in Los Olas called Balcony. We will be back, so check out what it looks like here.
You're here sweating on the floor. This hell feels better, better with you, better with you, better with you, better with you. This hell feels feels better with you. Better with you.
Good morning from Bucky and I, which Bucky looks terrified and is freaking out because my mom is, oh my gosh, he hates when my mom leaves. Look, Bucky, it is all okay in the world. Okay, that was a little difficult to put him down. The lighting in this clip is gonna be a little bit difficult. I'm at my grandma's house. Her house is known to be very dark. It's very brown. It's very 70s. She's been in this house for the past like 30 years and never really updated it. It still has like the same wallpaper, the same carpet, the same everything. I think now we have garage goers coming in because we're kind of trying to get rid of some of her stuff so we could sell the house. So the vlogging might need to be put to a halt.
You got Bucky?
He's around. I'm vlogging, Mom.
Huh?
My mom's freaking out. I'm vlogging. Just say hi to the vlog.
Hi, where's my purse?
Okay, gotta go. So that's the level of energy going on at my grandma's house right now. Bucky's freaking out because my mom's not around. My mom's just running all over the place. There's actually people outside. I was very, very surprised. I'm here, my mom's here, my cousin's here, and my cousin's daughter is here. So we're all just kind of here, and so I was making jokes about how we're all gonna be sitting in the front yard and no one's coming, but I'm in charge of the breakfast casserole. So let's get to the, you know, main focus of the day, which is eating, of course. I got my Starbucks on the way here because, you know, fuel. Cheers, happy Saturday. And let me show you how I'm assembling this breakfast casserole. It's vegetarian. Obviously, you kind of just throw vegetables and eggs and bake it, so let's see how it turns out. Okay, so for our mixture, we have the potatoes. I kind of packed them in tight. There is butter around the dish, but you can use oil spray. All I had was butter, so that's what I'm using. In here, I have 5 eggs and some milk that I whisked together. And then in here, there's yellow pepper, mushrooms, onions, and a groundless like beef substitute from Trader Joe's. I'll put the whole recipe in the down bar, so make sure to check for that. This is the final product. You're gonna bake it at 375 for about 45 minutes or until it looks about done. This is the end result. We have the hash browns at the bottom and then the egg and vegetables on top. So I'm thrilled to eat this. Let me know if you try out this recipe. Welcome back. So the garage sale is over and done with. I left a little bit early. My mom and my cousin and her daughter were still there kind of tending to any last stragglers that were gonna come buy some furniture, some, you know, little trinkets. It was kind of bittersweet getting rid of some of my grandma and my papa's stuff, but you know, if it's to serve someone better, I'd much rather them have it. It did hit me kind of like randomly, and that's what seems to be the case with death, is like you'll be fine, and like the morning was going fine. I made the breakfast casserole, and then all of a sudden it's like you get hit with the freight train of emotion, and I definitely like, you know, had to take a minute and gather myself because I was not doing too well. So it's just kind of hard to be at that house, you know. But things got to get done. So I did that, and then I came home and started getting ready for work. And now I'm at this event for babes. I'm doing a bartending service for a company. They're having a party. So I will show you what it looks like. This person parked very close to my car, and like I just got like chills up my body. I hate when people park close to my car. As soon as that door whips open, I'm like, girl, if you hit my car, like I'm in here if you hit it. But seems like she's got it under control. Anyways, let's go make this money. I'll show you what the event looks like.
Better with you. Better with you. This earth feels better with you. In my veins.
Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. So as you saw from the clips, last night was really quick, really easy. I made decent money, and it was just a very easy job. So I came home after that. I watched a little bit of Shameless, and then I passed out because I knew I had to get up relatively early to make it to the gym, get in my workout, of course eat. I've eaten twice already. I had my oatmeal and coffee before I worked out, and then I made some hash browns and eggs and avocado and the whole shebang once I got home, as well as a protein shake. Now I am getting ready to head to Sunfest. I think Nick Jonas headlines today. I'm not really sure, but I'm doing a promotion for a company, a jet ride company. That's what I'm doing today. I'm gonna be there till 9, but I wanted to mention my lifesaver today, and this is my Monat, the Champ Conditioning Dry Shampoo. So this is infused with the Rejuvenique oil. This stuff is amazing, and like I said, like, you know, I worked last night, I went to the gym this morning, and I needed my hair to look fresh today. I don't have enough time to wash it, so dry shampoo, ladies, dry shampoo. So I will have my link if you want to shop Monat down below. Definitely Hit me up on Instagram though and tell me your hair type so I could recommend products for you. Although the dry shampoo is a universal product, but if you're ever wanting to try our shampoo or conditioners, I'd love to hear about your hair type and your hair concerns so I could recommend products for you specifically. And just so you know, it is vegan, gluten-free, cruelty-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free, non-toxic, all the good stuff. So I'll have that link down for you below. But I need to head to West Palm and get the day going, so I will catch up with you when I'm at Sunfest. 10:15 at night and we are back. I'm tired. I'm also sunburned. Like, I did not realize how much sun I got. This is the company Jet Ride. It's a jet ski. Oh, hello, Miss Lily. It's a jet ski and boat membership. So they take care of everything. You just show up at the dock and have a good time. So really, really great concept. Like, and the team is really cool too. So I'm really happy I got to work with them. But I'm tired. I have a full day tomorrow, which you guys will see in the next vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. And until my next video, I will see you guys then. Bye. Mwah.